Go.
Nobody comes tomorrow. Like in a night sky. If the world was ending, I'll be next to you. If the party was over, if I saw earth was true.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday,
Ate Bit.
Ate Bit,
Kuya Bral.
bro.
Love you.
Love you.
Hello.
Hello, Ninang Bral and Ate Beth. This is Jayla. I wish you more birthdays to come and happy birthday. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Ate Beth and Kuya BJ. Happy birthday daw, huy. Tingin. Huy. Happy birthday daw, baba. Tingin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday daw. Sige mo, happy birthday. Meow. Happy birthday.
Hi, Beth and Brian. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Beth and Brian. Ingat, God bless, and see you.
See you.
Eh, kasi mas matatalo eh. Mahina lang. Mamaya ko pindutin. Tayo ng pagka. Okay na.
1, 2, 3.
Hi, Beth and Brian. Hello. Ngayon, ang inyong special day, BJ girl, BJ boy, wish ko sa inyo, for BJ boy, may He give you the desire of your heart and make all your plans succeed. And for you, BJ girl, may your big day be full of beautiful moments. May your years be full of happiness and amazing discoveries. May your life be special just like you. Ito yung pinaka-importante ninyong araw na pinagkaloob kayo ng Diyos sa inyong mama at papa. Wish ko sa inyong dalawa makapagtapos kayo ng inyong pag-aaral, maging masunurin kayo sa inyong mama at papa. Miss ko na kayo. Matagal na rin taon na hindi tayo nagkikita. I love you, Beth and Brian.
Ito sa akin, sa inyong dalawa, Beth and Brian. Happy birthday to a special person who makes life to your papa and mama. So amazing. Just being a part of it. You are such a special blessing to your papa and mama. I wish you a wonderful birthday filled with love, joy, and all the good things. You enjoy most. Again, Beth and Brian. Nahirapan akong mag-English eh. Minimorize ko pa yun. Pinagpapawisan na ako, Beth. Ito ang karugtong, tatagalogin ko na lang. maging masunurin kayo sa inyong mga magulang, lalo na sa papa at mama mo. Huwag kayong gagaya dun sa mga ibang bata na pagka pinagsasabihan ng mama at papa o may inuutos si mama at papa, ay ipagtalo, sasabihin magugwigil muna o titingnan muna sa YouTube kung tama yung sinasabi ng kanyang papa at mama. So, hindi dapat gano'n. Dapat lagi kayong masunurin. So, yun lang. Again, happy birthday ulit sa iyo, Beth. Sana mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ganon din si Kuya Brian mo. Yun lang. Huwag niyong kalilimutan na laging may Diyos. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday sa inyo. Sa inyong dalawa.
Happy birthday, Beth and Brian. Miss you too.
Labitigan family of Toronto, Canada. Happy birthday, Beth, and happy birthday, Brian. I wish ko lang sa inyong dalawa, sana makatapos kayo ng pag-aaral at magkaroon ng magandang trabaho. And I think I'm so sorry because I cannot make it na makapunta dyan. So, maybe some other day. So, I'll be there. And see you soon in the Philippines. Bye-bye. I love you.
Hello. Hello, Brian and Beth. Happy birthday to both of you. My wish to both of you is to have a good job and to finish your study. Good health and be a good kids to your papa and mama. Brian and Beth, pareho na kayong binata at dalaga. At matagal na rin kayong wala dito sa Pilipinas. I hope someday magkasama-sama ulit tayo. Nawa, ang birthday ninyo ay maging masaya. It is your day and enjoy your special day. We miss you dahil matagal nang hindi tayo nakikita-kita. More than 10 years na. Again, happy birthday to both of you. Oh, ako naman.
Happy birthday.
I love you.